Miller Pettit House, circa 1929, built in the French provincial style. This French provincial or French Norman style house was designed by Pleasance Penticton, an architect from New York City. The design was based upon the wing of a chateau in France, with the characteristic steep French-hipped roof. When the house was completed, the architect presented the owners with his watercolor rendering of the house elevation. This watercolor has remained with the house through its sale to 4 successive owners. The original cost of building the house was $27,000, and it was completed just as America entered the Great Depression. At that time, the owners found themselves in diminished financial circumstances, as did many others, and deemed it necessary to rent the home to a local businessman. The resident in the 1930s was Richard Hart, president of the Ames Baldwin plant, an important local industry. From the 1940s to the 1960s, this was the home of Blaine Monroe Miller, a local insurance company owner, his wife Sarah Borman Miller, and their children. The house is well constructed and beautifully detailed, with a sunken, paneled living room and lovely open dining room, adorned by elaborate crown moldings. Everywhere guests are treated to elegant surroundings. Updating of the house has included the bathrooms, but the original rough plaster wall surfaces popular in French and Tudor-style houses of the 1920s were retained. The previous owners upgraded the kitchen to a spacious serving and eat-in area, but they retained the charm of an original calling alert box for the servants on the kitchen wall.